Alright, hi guys, my name is Satya, and in this video I am going to show you my latest project, mitigation of the impact of wind turbine on grid. So essentially the idea is to minimize the impact of fluctuations in the power produced by the wind turbine on the grid. So let me show you by example. So these are the images from the simulation. Okay, here you can see we have a load of 15 megawatt or 16 megawatt which is connected to the grid, and on the grid there is one more power source, that is a wind turbine, which is producing a power anything between 6 megawatt to 7 megawatt. Alright, so the rest of the power is coming from the grid. So now the battery is not circuit in this case. So in the next case we will connect a battery, and through the battery we will try to mitigate the impact of wind turbine fluctuations on the grid. You can see the load is taking around 16 megawatt of power, out of which 8 megawatt should be coming from the wind turbine, but because the wind turbine is producing fluctuating power, that is why the rest of the power is coming from the grid. If you notice this graph, the power generated by the wind and the graph of the power taken from the grid is almost mirror image of each other. So this power, that is P wind plus P grid, should be equal to 16 megawatt at any given point of time. Alright, so this is the idea. Let me show you this is the graph of the system after implementing a battery system on this load. Alright, so our load is still taking around 16 megawatt of power, and still the wind turbine is producing anything between 6 to 7 megawatt depending on the wind speed. And now you will see the power from the grid, it is almost constant. So instead of the grid, now the rest of the power is being supplied by the battery. So the fluctuating nature of the wind turbine is being compensated with the battery system. Alright, so now in this case the wind turbine, the power from the wind turbine and the power from the battery, they are mirror image to each other. Alright, so whenever the power is so the equation should be something like this: the power from the wind plus the power from the battery should be equal to 8 megawatt, that is the maximum power being generated from the wind turbine, that is the rated capacity of the wind turbine. So yeah, so let me go to the model now. So for the case 1, when there is no battery system, we have a single machine infinite bus system over here, and on this grid we have a load connected to this grid which is of 16 megawatt. Alright, now there is one wind turbine which is producing around 1.5 into 6, that is 9 megawatt of power, and this wind turbine is producing 575 voltage, and we are upstepping the voltage to the grid voltage, and finally we are connecting through a transmission line. Alright, now if you see the wind speed, I have made it in a way that it is fluctuating with the time. Let me show you. Alright, so you can see the speed of the wind is changing with the time. The speed is in meter per second. Alright, now here is one more block which is the results. Here we will see the results. Let me zoom it a bit. Alright, so here we are measuring the input from the wind turbine, then we have the measurement across the load, that is the current, voltage and power output. Alright, then power contribution from the grid, and finally we are comparing all the power across the load. So this is the case 1 where we do not have a battery system. Let me go to the case 2 when we have a battery system implemented. Now you will see this is the additional block, that is the battery station, and this battery station, what it is doing, it is supplying the power deficit from because of the wind turbine. Alright, so we have a battery over here, then we have a converter, and with the help of the transformer we are injecting the power in. Now inside the converter we have a inverter, and this inverter is being controlled from a controller, and we are controlling this inverter, and with the help of these pulse controls we are injecting the power into the grid. I hope you learned something in this video. Subscribe my channel for such projects, and yeah, let me know in the comment sections if you want this model. My email ID is in the description box, and my mobile number will also be there. You can WhatsApp me on that number to get this model. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye bye.